From the 1st to the 7th of February 2021, schools, youth groups, organisations and individuals across the UK will take part in Children's Mental Health Week. This year's theme is Express Yourself.
Expressing yourself is about finding creative ways to share feelings, thoughts, or ideas through things like art, music, writing and poetry, dance and drama, photography and film, and doing things that make you feel good.
Expressing yourself is not about being the best at something or putting on a performance for others. It's about finding a way to show how you're feeling that can help you feel good about yourself.
For Children's Mental Health Week 2021, we are encouraging children and adults to explore the different ways we can express ourselves and the creative ways that we can share our feelings, our thoughts and our ideas. We hope you'll join us.
Hi KS2, welcome to today's assembly for Children's Mental Health Week. My name is Annie McHugh and I'm a clinical psychologist, which means I work with children and their families and support them with their feelings, emotions, behaviours and relationships. This whole week is dedicated to children's mental health, and as you saw in the video, today we're going to be talking about how we can express ourselves. We all experience lots of different feelings at different times, and everyone experiences emotions, whether you're a child, an adult, a parent or a teacher. We experience lots of different emotions during the day. Sometimes we have everyday feelings and emotions that come and go as a natural reaction to what is happening in our lives. They usually don't hang around for too long. Sometimes we have feelings that are a bit more overwhelming. They hang around for a longer time and they can stop us from doing what we want to do in our lives. It's okay to have all of these feelings. We can't control them, even though sometimes they don't feel very nice in our bodies. For example, you might notice excited feelings in your legs because you want to jump around, or you might notice worried feelings in your belly because it might hurt or you might feel a bit sick. You might notice angry feelings in your hands because you go all tense. It's okay to have all of these feelings, but it's what we do with them that counts. And it's really important that when we have these feelings, we express them to other people. In other words, we let other people know how we are feeling. Expressing ourselves in creative ways can help us deal with these feelings, and it's a good way to look after our minds and our mental health, just like we look after our physical health. There are lots of different creative ways we can express ourselves and share our feelings, thoughts and ideas. One way of caring for our mental health is to notice and share how we're feeling, rather than keeping these feelings buried deep down. For example, we could talk to someone. In school, you might want to talk to your class teacher, or to Miss Lucy or Miss Nadia, or the learning mentors, or any staff member you feel comfortable with. You might want to talk to your friends. You can also talk to your parents and carers and family members, neighbours or people in your local church or mosque. Sometimes it can be hard to talk about what we're feeling, and it can feel a bit exposing and a bit difficult. So there are other ways we can express ourselves. We might want to draw a picture. Might want to sing a song, or might want to go and do something you enjoy, like play some games with your friends, do some dancing, take some pictures. You might also want to do some writing. For example, you could write a story, or you could write a feelings letter. A feelings letter could be addressed to anyone who you feel comfortable sharing with. You could let them know what you've been feeling and why you've been feeling that way. You could also tell them what other feelings have been around for you. Being able to express yourself is not just about being the best at something or putting on a performance for others. It's about finding a way to show how you are truly feeling that can help you feel good about yourself. Have a look at this video and see if you can spot the different ways people are expressing themselves, their thoughts, their feelings and their ideas. it's really important that we find these creative, enjoyable ways to share our thoughts, feelings and ideas, as it can help us to feel good and help our mental health, especially when we face tough situations or difficult times, like the lockdown and the effects of the coronavirus. Like we said before, it can also make us feel a bit vulnerable, so you might want to take things one step at a time. Thank you for listening, everyone. Have a good day and don't forget to express yourself.